Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. On today's videos, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful 3 DIY centerpieces. Please let's not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I will be posting every week, so if you would like to know every time I post something, hit the bell button that it will let you know every time I post something new. Thanks again. Let's not forget to share, and I hope you guys like it. With that said, let's get started with this video. The first thing, I grabbed these 3 hoops that comes together. I will put the link down below where I got them. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the smaller hoop, and then I'm gonna take these 2 candle holder and these flowers as well. Make sure to use E6000. I'm going to use hot glue, but for better attachments, make sure you use E6000. Then I'm going to take my candle holder and place it on top. I use this foam, craft foam. I cut a little piece that it will fit inside my candle holder, and I'm just going to go ahead and press it down very hard. And I'm going to put hot glue all around it so it can better attach. Just like that, I'm gonna go ahead and put some hot glue, but before you put the hot glue, make sure to make a little cut like the circle and then press it down just like that. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue and put more hot glue on top. Make sure you put enough glue so it can hold properly. Then you're gonna hold it for a little while, and then you're gonna just go ahead and grab another piece and put it on top for better attachment. And it doesn't come off, trust me, it stays very stable. Then go ahead and grab your flowers and put some hot glue and attach it to the top, just like that. Then I took this straw and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it inside. And I did this cutout of a cross and a little wiper. I'm just gonna go ahead and take some double-sided tape and attach it to the top, and take my hot glue and I'm gonna go ahead and attach the cross to the straw. And this is how beautiful it turns out. I hope you guys like it. And with that said, let's get started to the next DIY. So I grabbed this picture frame. I took the mirror out, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this little metal to the top. I'm gonna take my hot glue all around it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place my mirror inside to attach it, just like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take this light and attach it to the side of the mirror, just like. Then I went ahead and grabbed these little branches, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the side with hot glue. I'm gonna take a few flowers and attach it around it. And this, you could do whatever you would like, however you would like to place the flower or the color that you would like it. Then I took the string and attached it to the top and place a flower on top. And this is how beautiful it turns out. You could do so many things with this DIY. You could change it for wedding, party, and more. Then go ahead and grab some foam board, the circle one. Make sure you use the whole thing. I'm using half of it because I didn't have the whole thing. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it through it like that. Make sure to cut it through it before you put the circle, and then go ahead and put some hot glue. Make sure to put it at the bottom and on top as well. Then I grabbed this blade, Dollar Tree, and I just spray paint it, and then I just glue it on top. Then I grabbed this blade as well. They have it in silver, but I spray painted in gold, and I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it to the top as well. Then go ahead and grab your branches and glue them to the side, just like that. This one you could arrange it however you would like it, and then just go ahead and put the flower on top. Then I took my string and I'm gonna attach it to the top and do the same thing and place a few branches to the side. And flowers as well. It's pretty simple to do, and this is how beautiful it turns out. You can either decide to put flower all around it, or you can always put a candle holder and put a candle inside.